have another fun Halloween recipe for you today. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and I'm going to be using their white chocolate today. I'm going to show you how to make mini ghost bundt cakes. These are sugar-free and keto approved, and just a little hint of white chocolate in the cake portion, and then they're drizzled with the ChocZero white chocolate on top to form a cute little mini ghost. Let's get started. To start, we're going to add all of our dry ingredients to a medium bowl. You'll need 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk those together until it's combined, and then we're going to set that aside. Then in a large bowl, you're going to cream 1 cup of butter that's softened. Whip it up until it's nice and fluffy. And then we're going to add 1/4 cup of monk fruit blend sweetener. Cream this together until it's mixed, and now comes our white chocolate. So here I have about 1/2 cup of ChocZero's melted white chocolate baking chips. I love this chocolate. It's really easy to cook with and bake with, and it's sugar-free. You'll also need 4 eggs, 1/3 cup of sour cream, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this together and slowly add in your dry ingredients. Continue mixing until it's all combined. Then for the bundt cakes, I'm using a silicone bundt cake pan. You can use a traditional metal bundt cake pan too if you want, or you can even use the individual ones. This is the one I'm using. I've greased it down first with a little bit of cooking spray, and then I'm going to spoon in my cake batter into each mini bundt cavity. Fill it up to this top, and then we're going to bake it in a 325-degree oven. Once they're done baking, you want to let them cool a little bit until you flip them onto a wire rack to cool further. After they're completely cooled, now it's time for our topping. Our topping is just going to be melted white chocolate, which is, again, we're using ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips. So I've melted a little bit of their chocolate into a small bowl, and then we just drizzle this on top. If you want to thin it out a little bit, you could add a little bit of coconut oil. This will help your chocolate be a little bit thinner so it's easier to drizzle. Then top with some fun candy eyes, or you could even use ChocZero's dark chocolate baking chips for eyes too. Then you just let these cool, and these white chocolate mini ghost bundt cakes are ready. Don't forget to tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos, and have a happy and safe Halloween.